In this video, I will guide you on how to connect and use a microSD memory card on your TCL Roku TV. And the process is quite simple. First things first, you need to get a microSD card reader like this one over here. Now, as you can see, mine has a USB dongle and it has both a slot for a microSD card and an SD card from over here. So you put your microSD card directly or an SD card in the ports over here. I'm also going to be leaving a link to this device in the description of this video in case you want to get it. Now what you want to do is to get your micro SD memory card like this one and then just proceed to insert it into the micro SD card reader just like this, and then you can proceed to connect this to any of the USB ports on your TCL Roku TV. And as soon as your microSD memory card reader is connected to the TCL Roku TV, you're going to get a pop-up like this. If you do not see a pop-up like this, you also do not have to worry. But if you get this notification letting you know that a microSD memory card has been connected to the TV, just go ahead and select on allow, and you will also be prompted to download the Roku media player. If you already have the app, you will just have to launch it. But if you do not have the app and you do not see that notification, go ahead and install the Roku media player app. You can see the name over there and then just launch it. Personally, at this point, I recommend you just go back to the home of your Roku TV and then proceed to the Roku App Store. So scroll down until you get to the add apps section from the bottom over here, and then you just want to search for the Roku media player app, or from the top free section you should be able to find the Roku media player app from over here. Go ahead and select on it and then just tap on the add app so that it will be added into your Roku TV. Mine is already installed, and once yours is installed as well, you can go ahead and just select on the go to app section to directly open up the app, and now you should be able to access your micro SD memory card with your Roku TV. So if you go over to the all section over here, you can see my microSD memory card. If you do not see your microSD memory card from over here, or your Roku TV is unable to just recognize your microSD memory card, you do not have to worry as well. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to give you a solution that will work out pretty well for you. But if you're able to find it, just go ahead and select on it from over here. And now you should be able to find all of your photos, videos, music. So if I go over to pictures from over here, you can see my pictures and I can actually watch it on my Roku TV. I can exit from over here. From the music section, I can also be able to play music directly from here and even watch videos and movies directly from my microSD memory card on my TCL Roku TV, and this works absolutely well without any problem. Now finally, for those that are unable to find their microSD memory card from the Roku media player section of the TCL Roku TV, usually the cause of this is the fact that your microSD memory card is not on the right format. So if you want your microSD memory card to be recognized by the TCL Roku TV, it has to be formatted at FAT32. But the process of doing it is quite simple. All you just have to do is to insert your microSD memory card into a laptop or a PC using an adapter or a card reader. Once it shows up on your laptop or PC, you just have to right click on it, select on format, and the format type should be FAT32. Once the format is completed, you can go ahead and load it up with all of your photos, videos, music, and you can insert it again into your TCL Roku TV and it will start working properly for you. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.